We are at West Tyson Park. This is a smaller park that's right next to Route 66 Park, State Park. And anyway, number 18. Here you go. Oh, it's upside down. All right, so we're doing a 1 mile loop. It's upside down.
Oh, it's
3 for a loop. It said, hey, we're changing the pattern.
there you go.
All right.
Make sure I get it in there.
Okay, so this is a non-paved trail. Definitely not handicapped accessible. And hopefully it's not too muddy. We will turn around if it's too muddy. It's about a 1.5 mile loop. And we've done this numerous times before they even did this 30 for 30 challenge. I think there was lots of geocaches out here that we used to come to get. But like I've mentioned before, we don't geocache anymore. Nothing wrong with geocaching. We're just not a hobby that we enjoy anymore. But this is very pretty. And did I mention bug spray? I definitely sprayed down with bug spray before we walked this one. And I see tires, so this is a good mountain biking trail. And I think horses can use this trail too, but where we parked is specifically said no. Where we parked it specifically said no. Stop. What is that, a mountain lion? That's a bear? There's no bears in Missouri rivers. I mean, there is. There's black bears. Stop it. I forgot what I was saying. Okay, where we parked, it said no horse trailers. Oh, we gotta turn around. Obstacle in the course.
That's it.
Obstacle in the course. Oh, okay. There we go. All right, there we go. Ooh. We haven't even started that, and I'm already sounding out of breath. This is definitely one of the more strenuous paths we have hiked lately. Definitely. I mean, it would really feel like the ultimate middle of nowhere, except there's a road right there that's having a lot of traffic go by. So it's weird. You feel like you're in the middle of nowhere and then a car drives by. So a lot of traffic for a Wednesday afternoon. You gonna use that to fight off bears?
Nope.
Fight off me. So, I've seen a couple of dead cicadas, but we're not hearing them. And at our house, they pretty much all died off. They're at the end of their cycle. And now they lay eggs, and we have to worry about worms crawling around in 11 weeks. Good times. Another trail that's giving us Blair Witch vibes, if it wasn't for the cars driving by. So even though we don't geocache anymore, pretty much anytime I see a dead tree, a hollowed out tree, I'm thinking there could be a geocache hidden in there. But not sticking my hands in any dead trees today. And I was just telling Robert, like, there's a lot of leaves scattered around. Normally, when I hike trails like this, I hear the squirrels in the leaves, and I haven't heard or seen a single squirrel in this park.
Still out here.
Definitely still, which is odd. You always hear tons of squirrels, so I'm a little concerned. Where did all the squirrels go?
There's a black bear around.
Yeah, it's kind of odd.
Or a cobra.
Why is there no squirrels?
Good cobra.
Freaking myself out. Alright, so there's a trail camera here.
Where's it at? Oh, that's it?
And it's telling us end of county property. Switch back here.
Turn back now.
Turn back now. I'm on camera. All right. I guess we'll do this switchback, right? Is that what it means? You see a horse?
No, I thought it's a dead horse. Oh, a dead horse. It's a dead horse. Forget it. It's nothing. Somebody owns it.
All right, so that's interesting. We've done this trail before, and I don't remember that sign. Turn it around, whatever. But I'm not really surprised because with all the traffic around, this is definitely in the middle of a residential area. Like private property. That's someone's private property. Not that there's like houses or anything, but so it's privately owned by some rich guy. I don't know. Robert's gonna be Googling it later to tell me exactly who owns that property. He is the Google king. You can find anything. So if you go straight, you reach Lone Elk Park.
Really?
Yep. So we want to go down here. Yeah, this is.
Go back.
Do you want to go back
Yeah, let's go back.
to that other one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There was a turn like right up here, but I jinxed us.
Maybe not. Hold on. I don't know.
This is the trail. There's a trail sign. This is it.
Good.
All right. So we did not get lost. There is the shelter up there. It's not. It's. I don't know the name, honey, but it's not the one that we parked next to. We still have to go up the hill. Yeah, still got a little bit. I remember last time we were here, this was all water. Yeah, it was very windy. There is no water in this creek. It was a windy Wednesday. Windy day.